Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, if you can't access any games on your Xbox, and then it says you need to update with an error code 0x8B050033, this is your only solution right now. Just navigate to Xbox support. Over here, going to Xbox status. Over here, you can see now, games and gaming are scheduled maintenance. The only thing you can do right now is turn off your gaming console and go outside to enjoy some fresh air. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.